Hey guys, welcome to our second video in our content manipulation detection series using C2PA. In the previous video, what I showed you was how we are able to detect the manipulation of original content. So here you can see this is a manipulated image with a deepfake of Kamala Harris, and this is the original image, right? Now in this video, what I'm going to show you is how we actually go about doing this, the entire workflow, right? And how the fake image is created and shared on WhatsApp, and the edits are done, etc. And finally, how we're able to detect it here. So the first step here is to go and get an original image. So I'm going to take this image, right? Download it. What I'm going to do is, this is the image that I downloaded from Midjourney. It doesn't have any content credentials, right? Let's say we want to make some changes to this image, increase, decrease the brightness, change some contrast, etc. And now I'm just going to enable content credentials, right? And I'm going to export this file. So let's do an export as add copyright, add content credentials cloud, and then basically export this image. So when I export this image, I'm going to save it as woman suit cloud, right? And I'm going to save. So now this image has content credentials embedded. The credential, basically the image and metadata is then cryptographically hashed and saved on the cloud, right? Now we can verify this by going to the content credentials verification site, and we go and select this particular image, right? So this was the one, women suit cloud. I'm going to add it. Yeah, you can see that the image that we just edited, that shows up along with two versions, which are the two ingredients of versions that we use. Now what we'll do is we'll do a face swap of this woman, right? And we'll take the the US Vice President's image. We'll try to face swap this woman's face with that of the US Vice President. So I'm going to take the original image, which is here, and that's my target and my source. So the face that I want to bring in is that of Vice President Kamala Harris. So I take this image of hers, and now I'm going to do a face swap. Now, this tool is available on Hugging Face. I think there you go. So now this is the deepfake version of the original AI generated image, and this is the version with Kamala Harris's face, right? Deepfake with Kamala Harris's face. Now what I'll show you is how we can, this is one manipulation. Now I'll show you how we can detect this given this image, how we can detect the original image, and then we'll make a bunch of other changes as see if we are able to detect. So this is the PNG version of the deepfake. As you can see, now this is the version that is, it has the face swapped image, and it has no credentials, right? Because the tool that was used does not add any credentials here, and right now it has no content credentials. Now what we're going to do is see if it matches any image which is embedded with C2PA and available on the cloud. Now you can see that immediately it found an image that is similar, and as you can see, it found the actual image that was used, the original image that was used to create this deepfake image, right? So this is how content provenance and content credential works. Like if you have C2P added to your own image, for any manipulated image, one can trace back the original, and there are other more powerful things that one can do to prevent this sort of unauthorized use, right? So let me show you the tool again. As you can see, this is the original, this is the face swap, and content credentials is able to detect, given the face swap, it's able to detect the original version, right?